Hello all, this is me, Sowndharayaa KS. I'm a white hat junior coder. I want to share this coding knowledge to all. So I have chose YouTube platform for coming for this coding. Actually, I'm going to share you about the JavaScript code. JavaScript, we have many programming languages. We have Cobalt, Python, and C++ and Java. There are many. So for now, I'm going to tell you about JavaScript code. So in this JavaScript code, we have some command for it. Let us start with the first command. Function setup. What is function setup? Function setup means while let me give you some example in understand that. Like you're going to perform a drama, any drama, you're going to perform a drama. So before you are performing a drama, you'll be setting up the stage, you'll be setting up everything, the things you need. So that is called that setting up. You also set up in the coding platform also. In that way, it is similar to that way. In function setup, it's nothing but you will do the pre-planned work. In the let me go to the second thing. Create canvas. What is create canvas? What is mean by canvas? Canvas is nothing but this yellow color board. I have given the background as yellow. That's why it is in the yellow color. Coming to the function draw. Function draw is nothing but you are drawing the images, you are drawing the objects using many commands. You will draw it in the function draw. And I have given another function called background. What is background? Background is nothing but this yellow color. The canvas is 400, 400. Let me talk about this 400, 400. What is 400, 400? 400, 400 is in computer, we don't use centimeter or millimeter or meter, we use pixels. What is pixels? Pixels are very tiny, teeny dots which is present in the computer. So this 400 represents 400 pixels, which is this in this length is 400, and this into this is 400. So let us change this and see. Let us put 500. Okay, so we have this one. We have our. This is more 100. So can you see this one has been changed? Why it has been elaborated? Because we have made the canvas more bigger. And now I'll keep it as 400. We'll stick at 400 because more canvas means it needs to be higher. Okay, now we will be looking at one command which we are going to do for our rect. So which is rect command? Rect. What is rect? First of all, we are going to do the ping pong game. I'm going to run a ping pong game. So before that, let us get about the rect command. The rect command is nothing but if we are drawing some rectangle shape. What is a rectangle shape? Rectangle shape is like this. Any shape. Sorry for that thing. A rectangle shape looks like this. So rectangle can be anyway like this. Anyway, but it will be more neater. So in this rect command, we will be drawing. Let us assume that we will draw a simple rectangle here. How we will draw? We need to get parameters for the rect command. We cannot just say in English we say draw a rectangle, but in computer coding language we use the rect command to draw a rectangle. So while we are drawing the rectangle, we need to follow one parameters. There is one round brackets here. The round brackets, inside the round brackets we will be giving the parameters. So For the parameters, there are 4 parameters. I'll draw here: x, y, breadth, and height. What is xy? Xy is nothing but the position. Breadth and height is nothing but the size of the rectangle. Here, I'll take a different color. 0, 0 is the xy. So while you are going to the right, the x position increases, and while you come down, the y position increases. So coming to that, in this corner it would be 400, 400. Okay, now yes. Okay. So first of all, we are going to draw a rectangle, maybe say 50, 50, anything. I'm just going to give some random values and check. Okay, I got nice square, but I was expecting rectangle. Why is that so? Yes, square has the both sides are equal. This side and this side is equal. See 60, 60. So 60 pixels, 60 pixels. So it's a square. So if you want a rectangle, I need to increase one or decrease. So I'll just increase or decrease. I'll just decrease. Okay. This is now rectangle. This is how we are going to create some objects. Going through. How about the ping pong game? So for that ping pong game, we will be having one paddle right here, a ball, and a paddle right here. Oh, sorry for the drawing. This is how it is. This is the computer paddle, this is the ball, and this is the player paddle. So here we are going to for creating the paddle, we are going to create a rectangle right here. So in the x position, what will be the x position? I don't need it to be very sticking to the edge. I want little bit away. Maybe say 5 pixels. So what would be my x position? I said you that this corner is 0, 0. So when I want 5 pixels away, I'll put 5, the the y position will be more. It won't be 0 because it's coming down. It needs to be right here. Maybe say you can put 200, which is the exact half of 400. Why is that so? You want it half here so that the rectangle will come. For another thing, for rectangle to come, the position, the width, and the height will be taken from the middle of the rectangle. I'll explain it to you. 1 minute. So I'm just gonna give 10, 100 because I want it as a player paddle. Okay, here we can see that this has not gone from the center. It has gone from here, which is the 200. So we need to increase it up. So let us give 150 and check. It has gone the right half, so it's great. Now let me create another thing for player paddle. Player paddle, it needs to be in this this position, so the x position will be increased and everything must be kept the same. So I'll put 385, 150, 10, 100. This will be my player paddle. And now let me create the ball in the middle. For now, I'll just create a rectangular ball, which would be rect command. A ball, let it be a square ball. So I'll create a square ball, which is maybe say, it should be in the middle. So it should be right here in the center, right here. So as it needs to be in the middle, I will be doing it as 2 no 150, which is the straight. It will be straight to the play pattern, right? So I need to put 150. Sorry, not the x or y position is 150. What will be my x position? X position will be straight half of the canvas, and 150 here, and 20, maybe 20 or 10 by 10 or 15 by 15, anything. Okay. Okay, so why am I hitting at the top? Fishy, right? I'll tell you the answer. If we can say that these all are in one single line. Sorry, my line is so different. All are in one single line. Because the it starts at the point where it needs to be the x and y, and it starts drawing like this. So it's all in the one single line. So we need to give, we should not give 150, we need to give 200, so it starts at 200. Is it right? Yes. So we have done the structure of the ping pong game. The next video will be about when the ball moves and the player paddle also moves. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.